So welcome to module number 3 of this course, setting up your channel for success. So let's head over to the first lesson overview of this module. So in this module, to be particular, we're going to mostly be talking about why optimizing your channel is important. We're also going to create the channel. We're going to set up your channel for success, and we're also going to cover your goals. Okay, so why optimizing your channel is important. First of all, my philosophy is simple. If YouTube or any social media platform for that matter gives you the opportunity to fill out all kinds of information such as optimizing tags, thumbnails, adding caption files, and subtitles in over 100 languages, yes, in YouTube you can translate your caption files to over 100 languages. Not even everybody knows about it. And you can also add the end screens, cards, etc. Why not have it all included and in order, right? Makes sense to do it, makes sense not to do it. All right, so am I right or am I wrong? By the way, you tell me. So the next reason is important is because by optimizing your videos, you're going to create keyword presets and figure out SEO and all that stuff. And it is just crucial, right? It just allows your channel to be more discoverable faster. And yeah, and that makes it easier to analyze and move forward. And you will know exactly what to do and when, right? So this is how optimizing your channel, like this is kind of the order of optimizing your channel, right? So first of all, you kind of understand the process. You get your 30 video ideas, right? And then you start implementing similar metadata between the videos, okay? Then you start planning your content, okay? Step number 2 is SEO and keyword process. We would use a keyword tool to find keywords. Then we make a list of keywords. Then we refine the list and implement the list. Step number 3 is we plan the content strategy. Okay, so we research already popular videos and we make a list of video ideas. Half will come from YouTube, half will come from keyword research. Okay, so that's kind of what optimizing your channel is, right? So to be very exact, what we're gonna learn in this module. So we're gonna learn why we even optimize our YouTube channel and plan a content strategy. We're gonna talk about how to set up your channel from scratch the right way, how to optimize your channel layout, how to prevent your channel from getting hacked, the 30 video rule using suggested video loops to go viral, how to find highly profitable keywords and video ideas using the keyword strategy, the best YouTube tool, how to find already successful YouTube ideas and replicate them and profit them, okay, how to make a list of video ideas based off keyword process, and how to plan your content strategy so you know exactly what to do and when. And here are your goals for this module. So first of all, have your channel made, have your channel keywords set, have your channel optimized, logo, channel art verified, and have a list of keywords that you'll put on every video you upload, and have a list of 30 video ideas that you'll be ready to take action on.